someone come and say to me, why don't you do a study in culinary? My name is Kwan Yi Yang, that's my full name, so you can call me Connie as well. My role in AIBT is a course coordinator for commercial cookery and kitchen management. I would say this course suitable for everyone who is passionate about cooking. Everyone can cook, but we need to know that the passion is different to just cooking for food or cooking with passions. I always use this word, marry the cuisines. For example, how can you marry a cuisine from where you're from? Let's say there's one place, I would say, from Thai cuisine married to Italian cuisines. How can we not over-collapse the other one, but keep a good marriage on it? And that is something I would call passion, because you not dominate each other, but you're connecting to each other. Study in Australia is more depending on the individual's disciplines. The lifestyles and work styles are very balanced, to be honest. Key skills is, I would say, eat a lot outside, dine a lot. The more you experience different cuisines, the more your palate experience different tastes, the better for you to understand why we cook certain dishes. So of course, team player, team leadership is very important because we work in the kitchens, which is like team central environments. In my kitchen, basically is if someone needs help, you need to help. If someone not finishing their task, you help them together to achieve it together. And no one can be slack. When I say slack, it's like lazy. Oh, someone would do it for me. No, it's someone that how to work together and make the kitchen run smoothly. I would say you can create this career outcome from the industry placement time, because the places that we will send you guys to it could be long term. I got a lot of examples from my past students. They got some visa support afterward, and if you find a job earlier and you show the employer that you are passionate about your job, you are passionate about your positions, they will hire you and then give you a really good journey to go on, and which is a part of the connections that you could also create yourself and create from us as well. If you could practice some consistency and uniform are very important to join in this course. How you cut the carrot, how you cut some certain ingredients has to be same shape, because how you cut them can change the outcome, the taste. So that is maybe something you prepare for, and patience. You need a lot of patience before you come in, because create a dish or having a shift is not a 2 minutes, 3 minutes work, is a long term. I think that is the most important thing before you join in the course. Our trainers are very skillful and has a lot of experience. The facility we have is very comprehensive. You don't really need to worry about you will miss certain skills, and what we do in the class is more closest to what you will face in the kitchens in the real world. And that's it for me today, guys, and hopefully see you guys soon.